Hi there, today I'm going to start my first Python programming language tutorial for beginners. If you have some information about programming languages or you are new at programming languages, you can take this course and you can learn all the basics of the Python programming language during this tutorial. Before to start, I'd like to answer some questions that people want to know, users needs to know. And before that, I'd like to show you the place of the Python programming language in the programming languages list. And this is the statistics of the for April. And here you can see the Python programming language is in the 5th place in the world now. And here you can see the Python programming language history. And here you can see Python programming language is in the 27th place in the world when it was invented, and in 2002 it was 10th place in the world, and now it's in the 5th place in the world. And here you can see the winners of the year during 2003 to 2016. Here you can see 2010 and 2007 Python programming languages was the winner of the year. And now I'd like to answer some questions. The first question is that why do people use Python today? This is the first question because there are a lot of programming languages today in the world, and people want to know why they have to choose this programming language. The first reason is that software quality. Python programming language, Python code is designed to be readable. You can easily understand it even if you didn't write this code, because it uses English words, and if you have English practice experience, and if you know English language, you can easily understand this code. The second reason is developer productivity. Python isn't like other languages because there is less to type and less to debug and less to maintain after the fact. For example, if you want to print something in the screen, you have to write 3 or 4 lines of code in Java or C. But in Python, you can do this by a line. If you want to print something in the screen, you can do it by a print function in the Python. The third reason is support libraries. Python has standard libraries, and you can import it, you can use its functions and methods, and you can create your own functions and your own libraries, and you can use these libraries different systems and platforms. The second question is that who uses Python today? As you know, Python programming language is in the 5th place in the world now, and here I would like to show you the main companies use Python today. The first is Google. Google uses Python in its web search system. Then YouTube uses Python today. It uses Python for video sharing service. Dropbox storage services calls are primarily in Python, and Google's App Engine web development framework uses Python today. Ironport email server product uses Python. It has 1 million lines of Python code. National Security Agency of America uses Python today for cryptography and analysis. Intel, Cisco, IBM use Python for hardware tests. And then NASA, iRobot, Maya, and so on, other companies use Python today. The third question is that what can you do with Python? The first is system programming. Python programs can search files and directories, launch other programs, and so on. The second is graphical user interface. Some people some people think that Python programming language is script language, but you can use some buttons, radio button, checkbox buttons, and others in this programming language. Python programming language likes Delphi, and you can use this graphical user interface in Python too. The third is internet scripting. There are web development framework packages for Python that can help you to make your own web page. For example, Django, TurboGears, Web2Py, Python, Zope, and others. Django is the most important, most famous today. Component integration. If you have some information about other programming languages and you want to mix this Python and this programming language together, you can use this component integration. For example, if you have information about C and you want to use Python and C together, you can use Cython. And if you have some information about Java and you want to mix Java and Python, you can use Jton component integration. Database programming. There are Python interfaces to all commonly used database systems. For example, Sybase, Oracle, Informix, MySQL, PostgreSQL, and others. Numeric and scientific programming. For example, for numeric programming, there is NumPy. NumPy turns Python into an easy to use numeric programming tool. There is scientific Python for scientific programming, and it uses NumPy as a core component. And more game programming and multimedia, you can use Pygame, PySoy, Panda3D. Robot controlling, you can use Pyro. Instrumentation on the Raspberry Pi and Arduino, you can program Arduino and Raspberry Pi circuits via Python. Artificial intelligence with PyBrain and Milk, and there is PythonCat, Reportlab, Matplotlib, VPython, and other packages and other programs. That's all. If you have another questions, you can comment in the comment below, and I'll answer these questions in the next videos. Python was created by Guido van Rossum in 19th, and it's named this program after Monty Python, the British comedy group's Flying Circus. There's two main versions of the Python 2 and Python 3. If you choose Python 3, there is new features and evolution. If you are new in Python programming language, you should choose Python 3 because some new libraries and tools are already available for Python 3. I'm using Python 3, so you can choose Python 3 and take this course. It's easy to learn. So that's all for today for this video. In the next video, I'll show you how to install Python programming language to your platform, and then we'll start programming language. That's all today. I'll see you next video. Bye.